Yo, what's up everybody? Hello, here to blow your minds with some seriously insane life hacks. Did you know that the average household product has like 10 other uses people don't even know about? That's right. We're talking about turning everyday items into super tools all on a budget. Think about it. We spend so much money on specialized cleaners, fancy gadgets, all that stuff. But what if I told you that you probably already own half of what you need to make your life easier, cleaner, and way more efficient? We're about to dive deep into the hidden potential of everyday products. Get ready to have your mind blown, because I'm about to change the way you look at everything in your house. We're talking baking soda, vinegar, coffee grounds, stuff you probably already have lying around. You are not going to want to miss this. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic baking soda. I know, it sounds boring. You're probably thinking, Ron, baking soda? That's for grandma's baking cookies. But hold on, because this stuff is seriously powerful and way more versatile than you think. First of all, forget those expensive, chemical-filled kitchen cleaners. Baking soda is a natural cleaning powerhouse. Sprinkle some on a damp sponge and watch it obliterate grease, grime, and even those stubborn coffee stains on your countertops. Plus, it neutralizes odors like a champ, leaving your kitchen smelling fresh and clean. And speaking of fresh, let's talk about your fridge. You know how sometimes it just starts smelling a little funky? Don't go throwing out perfectly good food. Simply place an open container of baking soda in the back of your fridge, and it'll absorb all those nasty odors, keeping your food smelling fresh for longer. But wait, there's more. Baking soda can even replace your fancy toothpaste. Seriously, just mix a little bit with water to form a paste, and you've got yourself a natural teeth-whitening toothpaste that'll save you some serious cash. And for all you gardeners out there, baking soda can even give your plants a boost. Sprinkle a little around the base of your plants to deter pests, and even sweeten up those tomatoes. I'm telling you, this stuff is a miracle worker. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ron, this is too much information. How am I supposed to remember all of this? Don't worry, I got you covered. We're going to go through each hack step by step with some awesome visuals to really make it stick, so stay tuned because we're just getting started. We're about to move on to something even more surprising, but I promise, it's just as game-changing. Up next, vinegar. That's right, your grandma's favorite condiment is about to become your new secret weapon. You won't want to miss it. Alright folks, buckle up because we're diving into the wonderful world of vinegar. I know, vinegar doesn't exactly scream miracle product, but trust me on this one. This stuff is a cleaning powerhouse disguised as a salad dressing, and it's about to rock your world. First up, let's talk about stains. Whether it's a stubborn red wine spill on your carpet or a greasy mess on your favorite shirt, vinegar is here to save the day. Just mix equal parts vinegar and water, apply it to the stain, and blot it with a clean cloth. Watch in amazement as the stain magically disappears. But that's not all. Vinegar also works wonders on glass and mirrors. Forget those expensive glass cleaners that leave streaks and residue. Simply mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle, spritz it onto your windows and mirrors, and wipe them clean with a microfiber cloth. The result? Sparkling, streak-free shine that'll make your grandma proud. And for all my laundry enthusiasts out there, ditch those chemical-laden fabric softeners and embrace the power of vinegar. Just add half a cup of white vinegar to your washing machine's rinse cycle to soften fabrics, eliminate static cling, and even remove lingering odors. Your clothes will come out feeling fresh, soft, and oh so snuggle-worthy. But wait, there's a bonus round. Vinegar can also help unclog your drains. Pour a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Let the mixture fizz for about 30 minutes, then flush with hot water. Bam! Clogged drain. I know what you're thinking. Ron, you're blowing my mind right now. Is there anything vinegar can't do? Honestly, I'm starting to wonder myself. We're just getting warmed up, folks. Up next, we're tackling those leftover coffee grounds. You know, that stuff you usually just toss in the trash? Get ready to see it in a whole new light. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Chapter 3. Coffee Grounds from Trash to Treasure. Alright, coffee lovers, this one's for you. We're talking about coffee grounds, that magical byproduct of your morning pick-me-up. Now I know what you're thinking. Ron, coffee grounds are for my plants, right? You're not wrong, but get ready to have your mind blown because coffee grounds are way more versatile than you think. First up, let's talk about your garden. Coffee grounds are like a superfood for your plants. They're packed with nitrogen, which is essential for healthy plant growth. Just sprinkle a thin layer of coffee grounds around the base of your plants and work it into the soil. Your plants will be thanking you with lush, vibrant growth in no time. But hold on, we're just getting started. Remember how baking soda can deodorize your fridge? Well, coffee grounds can do the same thing. Just fill a small bowl with used coffee grounds and place it in the back of your fridge. The grounds will absorb all those funky odors, leaving your fridge smelling fresh and clean. And for all my beauty gurus out there, coffee grounds can even be used as a natural exfoliant. Mix some used coffee grounds with a little bit of coconut oil or honey to create a DIY scrub. Gently massage it onto your skin to remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and oh so refreshed. But wait, there's more. Coffee grounds can also help neutralize odors in your trash can. Simply sprinkle a layer of coffee grounds at the bottom of your trash bag to absorb any unpleasant smells. No more holding your breath every time you take out the trash. I know, it's mind-blowing stuff, right? Who knew those little coffee grounds could be so powerful? But we're not done yet. Get ready to unlock the hidden potential of another everyday item, toothpaste. Chapter 4. Toothpaste, your new secret weapon, besides for your teeth. Alright folks, let's talk about toothpaste. I know, it sounds a little weird. But trust me, this minty fresh paste can do so much more than just keep your pearly white sparkling clean. First up, let's tackle those pesky crayon marks on your walls. You know, the ones your little Picasso decided to leave as a permanent reminder of their artistic genius? Well, fear not, because toothpaste is here to save the day. Just dab a small amount of toothpaste onto a clean cloth and gently rub it onto the crayon marks. The mild abrasive in the toothpaste will help lift the crayon off the wall, leaving your walls looking good as new. But that's not all. Remember how we talked about polishing silver with baking soda? Well, toothpaste can do that too. Simply apply a small amount of toothpaste to a soft cloth and buff your silver items until they sparkle and shine. Your grandma's antique silverware will thank you. And for all my fellow acne sufferers out there, toothpaste can even help clear up those pesky pimples. Just dab a tiny amount of toothpaste onto the affected area before bed and wash it off in the morning. The toothpaste will help dry out the pimple, reducing redness and inflammation. But wait, there's a bonus round. Toothpaste can also help remove scuff marks from your shoes. Just apply a small amount of toothpaste to a clean cloth and rub it onto the scuff marks. The toothpaste will help buff away the scuffs, leaving your shoes looking fresh and clean. I know, it's mind-blowing stuff, right? Who knew that a tube of toothpaste could be so versatile? But we're not done yet. Get ready to unlock the hidden potential of our final everyday item, coconut oil. Chapter 5. Coconut oil, the holy grail of everyday hacks. Alright folks, it's time to talk about the one and only coconut oil. This stuff is like the Swiss Army knife of natural products, with a seemingly endless list of uses. Seriously, once you start using coconut oil, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. First up, let's talk about cooking. Coconut oil is a healthy and delicious alternative to traditional cooking oils. It's great for high-heat cooking like sautéing and frying, and it adds a subtle sweetness to your dishes. Plus, it's packed with healthy fats that are good for your heart and brain. But hold on, we're just getting started. Coconut oil is also a fantastic moisturizer for your skin and hair. Massage a small amount of coconut oil onto your skin after showering to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft and supple. You can also use it as a deep conditioner for your hair by applying it to your ends and leaving it on for a few hours before washing it out. And for all my makeup lovers out there, coconut oil is an amazing natural makeup remover. Just apply a small amount of coconut oil to a cotton pad and gently wipe away your makeup. The coconut oil will dissolve even the most stubborn waterproof mascara, leaving your skin feeling clean and refreshed. But wait, there's more. Coconut oil can also be used to polish wood furniture. Simply apply a small amount of coconut oil to a soft cloth and rub it onto your furniture in a circular motion. The coconut oil will help condition the wood, restore its shine, and protect it from scratches and water damage. I know, it's mind-blowing stuff, right? Coconut oil truly is the holy grail of everyday hacks. Wow, we covered some serious ground today. From cleaning hacks to beauty tips and everything in between, we've unlocked the hidden potential of some of the most common household products. Who knew that baking soda could clean your entire kitchen, vinegar could make your windows sparkle, and coffee grounds could make your plants thrive? And let's not forget about the magic of toothpaste and coconut oil. From removing scuff marks to moisturizing your skin, these everyday heroes are ready to tackle any challenge you throw their way. So ditch those expensive, chemical-laden products and embrace the power of these natural alternatives. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing hacks, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on another life-changing video. And don't forget to share these amazing tips with your friends and family.